Alright guys, so this is cleaning your tank with the Python. You run it from your tank and then the water goes down this tube and it runs to your sink where it drains out, and then when you want to fill up your tank you simply just put this up, pull it up and twist it and it'll fill it up. But I'll show you that process in a little bit, but make sure that this is down and the water is coming out. That means water is getting drained from your tank into your sink. You turn your water on when you want to get that suction, then turn your water off when you're done with that suction, and you just siphon up and clean your rocks and everything with it. It's really neat. It saves your back from, you know, all the buckets and everything. Like this itself is a 36-gallon tank, so the Python saves the back big time. The Python is actually really quick at cleaning your tank as well. It's a lot faster than if you had like a normal kind of manual pump or like a hand pump. It's the Python is really fast at it. I'm quite surprised at the speed. Alright, so this is filling up the tank now. So as you can see, this is, instead of move down, you move it up and then twist it to the right. And you see no more water really coming out of there because the water is actually going down the tube and coming out the other end, and now filling up the tank. You want to make sure your temperature is good so you don't freeze them or make it too hot for your fish. But that is how the Python works. I'll show you the setup and everything in just a moment. That's how you set it up. You simply just screw it on to your tap there, and then, you know, like I said, down to drain it, to fill it back up.